Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Anna, and today I want to share something exciting that's been getting a lot of buzz all around the world: ProDentim. If you guys have been searching for a natural way to improve your oral health, this might just be exactly what you have been looking for, so it's great that you have come across this video. ProDentim has been making a real difference for a lot of people, but before you rush to buy it, stick around because I do have some important advice to help you avoid any knockoffs. So ProDentim is an all-natural supplement that's gaining attention for addressing common oral health concerns, whether it's bad breath, yellowing teeth, gum problems, or sensitivity. People are turning to this product as a more affordable alternative to expensive dental treatments. So what actually makes it stand out? You guys, it's packed with 3.5 billion probiotic strains and nutrients that have been backed by clinical research. This powerful formula is designed to transform how you take care of your teeth and gums. Whether you're dealing with bad breath, teeth discoloration from smoking, or gum issues, ProDentim could be the solution that you have been searching for and just haven't found yet. But here's the thing. Not everyone has had great results apparently, and there is a reason for that. You see, there are fake versions of ProDentim being sold on unauthorized websites since it has been so popular. So to avoid you guys getting any knockoffs, it's super important to only buy ProDentim from the official tried and tested website. I will include the link in the description below so you can be sure you guys are getting the real product, see the reviews, see the ingredient list, and really all the information you need. Plus, when you buy from the official website, you'll get 2 bonuses and a 60-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk in trying it. So let's talk more about what's inside. ProDentim combines natural ingredients, vitamins, plant extracts, and minerals into a formula that targets the root causes of oral health issues. It helps freshen your breath, restore your teeth, and improve your gum health, like I said, all while giving you a brighter smile. The best part is that it's FDA approved, GMP certified, and made with high quality ingredients. It really is this natural solution with no known side effects. So for the best results, it is recommended to stick with it for 3 to 6 months. Just chew 1 tablet a day, super easy, and you'll start seeing improvements. In short, ProDentim is definitely worth trying. It's been a game changer for so many people, and it might be for you too. Give it a shot and see what it can do for your smile and overall oral health. And that's all for now. I hope this info was helpful for you all. Remember, only buy from the official website, link in the description. Take care, you guys. Bye.